Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore perpendicular bisectors and what exactly are them. Alright, so what exactly is a perpendicular bisector? Okay, the very first thing you need to take note of is it is a line. And what's so special about this line? It is a perpendicular to another line, as well as it is a bisector. So what is a bisector? You might be wondering. So a bisector, it simply means that this is a line that bisects another line. And the meaning of bisect is that it cuts that line at its midpoint, right in the middle. Meaning, another meaning would then be it cuts the line into two equal parts. Alright? And because now we are cutting another line, the perpendicular comes in already. So this is also a line that is perpendicular to that line. So I'm going to make use of the example here. We have the line PQ is an example of a perpendicular bisector of the other line AB, because it cuts the line segment AB at its midpoint such that AM is equals to MB, two equal parts. Okay, so another way to look at it would then be any point on the perpendicular bisector of a line segment is equal distance from the endpoints of the line. And the abbreviation for this would be, this will represent perpendicular, and we just need to spell out the word bisector. Alright, this is the end of the introduction to perpendicular bisector.